there's one. Yep.
Barely got him. Woo!
I gotta do a Ryan. First fish of 2026, baby. Skunk is gone. Skunk is gone. Skunk is gone. Just a little bass came right off that point right there. I was cranking like crazy too. Yep, guys. Nice little bass. Thanks, buddy. Caught that one on the old, this is a new crankbait that I've been using. I can't remember what it is. Ryan knows what it is. I think it's called Morning Dawn or Tomato Soup, or I think Tomato Soup is the dark one. No, the crankbait. Yeah, baby. We can go home now. Just kidding. We got to get you one now. Got one. Yeah, buddy. Nice chunk. Nice chunk. All right, guys, caught that on Pat swim jig. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Green swim jig. Yeah, I know. I know. 8 feet of water. Swim jig sitting on the bottom. If that makes any sense at all. They're definitely not up on the bank. They're a lot deeper. Deeper. It's a weird bite. Weird bite. Green swim jig, Ron. Put one on. Yep. Choked it. Huh? Man, he choked that thing too. That's a female getting ready to spawn. Look how fat she is, guys. Nice little fish. Number 3. I'm in 12 feet of water, casting into about 6. I think they're in between that transition. And it's when the jig is on the bottom, when they're picking it up. Do you got green swim? You got green swim jigs?
I got a bluegill one right here on.
Well, that should work. If not, I got plenty of jigs, dude.